When you go to a chiropractor, you probably wouldn't expect to see a newborn being treated, but Adam Wurtzel found one who treats everyone and goes the extra mile.
If you've got an aching back or maybe some pain in your shoulder and you're looking for a top shelf chiropractor, the place for the job is Chiropractic Nashville. But Dr. Chad McClellan says that his job isn't just about healing those joints.
We've got to dig into what's going on in your life. People all the time will come in and say, well, what caused this? Or why does my neck hurt? Why does my shoulder hurt? Why is my hip hurting? If you have a spine, you should probably come in and let me evaluate it.
Dr. Chad and the entire Chiropractic Nashville team treat patients of all walks of life, but more importantly, a very broad spectrum of ages.
My youngest patient, besides my own children, was 20 minutes old. A midwife was having a home birth, and she wanted the baby to be adjusted just as quickly as it could be as soon as she was born.
But Dr. Chad's best work isn't just with newborns.
Our oldest patient is 98, lots of degeneration in there, but she still likes to ride carnival rides, and she still loves to fish. And if she's not able to cast and reel in her own fish, she's aggravated at me.
A big part of tension in your body has to do with different types of stress. But the good news for Nashvillians, we live in an ideal environment without the annoyances of loud horns and subway cars.
There's so much energy, and it's, for the most part, it's like great positive energy, and people are just wanting and striving for something better in their lives when they're here.
Tables like this Spinalator have been making people feel better at Chiropractic Nashville since 1998. But if it wasn't for good doctors like Dr. Chad, these tables would be no good.
A lot of runners will come in and tell me that they sprained their ankle today, or swimmers will say that they threw their shoulder out today.
And they may have done a lot of damage to their body today, but Dr. McClellan says that it can't be that recent.
There's probably something that was going on that was sort of tissue weakening, and then finally tissue failure.
So the moral of the story, if you've got pain or maybe don't even know what the problem is, there's a good chance that Chiropractic Nashville will have the answer.
Most of the stuff that happens in our bodies is a process. It's not an event.
And for more information or to schedule an appointment at Chiropractic Nashville, give them a call at 615-292-2797 and to view their new patient center, you can go to their website. That's chiropracticnashville.com.